Morning everybody, it is, what day is it? Thursday, May 24th, and my hair is still wet. I might just leave it wet. It's a beautiful day. It's gonna be 30 degrees today. Baby girl is sleeping and I was just farting around on ThredUp this morning, which I was so excited because I found so many cute things for so cheap. However, to Canada, it's $40 in shipping. And I'm like, I am not about to spend $40 in shipping. No, like no. And that's American. So I don't think so. So ThredUp, I will not be purchasing from just because that's the shipping I can't justify, like the good deal. So anyways, I worked last night. I didn't see you guys yesterday. Yesterday I was beyond exhausted. I don't know what it was. I was so tired. So I just like napped. And my mom was here all day because she didn't have a car, so I had to pick her up and she had to watch the baby. I went to work 4 to 8. Blakey is officially done nursing. I know, I think I mentioned it in my last vlog, but she's actually done. Like, she hasn't nursed in like 3 days. And my boob, this one she hasn't drank from in forever. This one is so tender and sore. It doesn't hurt, like it's not painful, but it's like hard as a rock. And it's like all I want is to relieve it, but I'm not gonna pump because she won't take a bottle. And I could put it in her sippy cup, I guess, but I'm just gonna like give her formula because I breastfed her for 10 months, 10 and a half months. She's almost 11 months. And then after 12, I don't have to give her formula or anything. She can just have whole milk or 2% or whatever. So I'm not gonna pump to relieve it. I'm just gonna let it stop. But it was really hard for me the last couple days. I was super emotional about it because she's my baby, and then if she doesn't nurse anymore, it's just like, but she does still need me, I know, but it's just, I'm really liking my hair like wet though. This is the only wave I get in my hair. Like that's it. It's pretty straight, so if I put heat on it, it's like meh, so I might just leave it. I'm going to go to the waterfront in the nearest city, town, whatever, to meet up with my friend Michelle. Funny story, she, hi Michelle, because I know you're watching my videos. She is actually a subscriber, and long story short, she watched Blake's baptism video and she was like, I know that guy, and like Colin, because he was in the video, and she's like, and that's my mom. Like her mom was not the pastor, but she presented us with Blake's certificate and stuff. So and then she messaged me on Instagram and she's like, oh my god, like I went to high school with your husband and whatever, so we met up and now we're good friends, and I just love her. She's like the sweetest person. So yeah, so we're gonna go with her. I'm gonna pick her up and we're gonna walk along the waterfront, and yes, it's gonna be a beautiful day, so I'm really excited. I wanted to show you guys, I made these healthy blueberry muffins. They were a Tiffany Beeston's recipe, and they're also on Pinterest. I will link them down below. They are super delicious and they are so healthy. There's only, I think each muffin's 134 calories, 10 sugar, which isn't that bad for a muffin. And there's blueberries and oats and a bit of, there's like a cup of milk in all of them. I had 12 as of yesterday. My parents came over to babysit and it's dramatically reduced. So they're a hit in this household. I decided to go ahead and dry my hair because it was just starting to get like frizzy and not so cute. So B and I are matching today. I just have on this army green shirt and my Forever 21 Fashion Nova shorts. I just grabbed a pouch for her and her little bib. She has shorts on and she just has a little sweater because she's got a Jessica Simpson tank top, and she does have shorts on. They're like little, where are they? Where's your shorts? Little jean shorts. They're so cute. So I've got that. I've got her sunscreen and my new diaper bag, which I showed you guys in one of my last vlogs, but diaper bag. So I'm going to go ahead and get going because I gotta pick up Michelle and I'm running late, so gotta go.
Looking for better parking too, because like, I don't really, this is where that man, like, that parking lot.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, can I live there, please?
Yes, let's move it together.
I know. We won't be able to afford anything, but that's okay. I don't know which one to get. Oh, vanilla cake.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Your dad in your journal.
Am I? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I need to like, look at, I'll just, there, okay. It's hard to line it up.
I know.
Oh my God. Oh my God, don't look it. Oh, you said no because it's, yeah.
It's not you, it's me.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Ready, B? Are you ready?
Yummy!
Oh, is that good?
Oh, you like it?
I gotta send a picture to my mom.
Aww. Do you want me to take one of you guys?
I'm okay. I just want to take one of her. Oh, hold on, hold on.
He really likes it. She does.
Okay, B. Ready? Oh.
Blue on the face to match the eyes.
Yeah. Baby girl was tired. I just put her down. It's 1:40. She's been up since 10:30. She fell asleep. I dropped my girlfriend off and then Blake fell asleep in the car within like 5 minutes of dropping off my friend. And I was like, crap, because whenever she falls asleep in the car and then she wakes up when I pull into the driveway, then she gets like super cranky and sometimes she fights her sleep. But she actually only cried for like 2 minutes and now she's completely like completely out cold. I spilled her milk all over the floor, so I need to clean that. And I just have a couple dishes to put away, and then I have to make some things, sorry, I have to make some things in my cookbook, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make. We had such a nice time at the waterfront. It's so beautiful, and that frozen yogurt was so good. I ate way too much, but that's okay, it was delicious. So and B liked it. And for all of you wondering, this is the baby sunscreen that I put on her. It's the Think Baby, it's SPF 50. It smells really good. It smells like clementines or something. And I like lathered her in sunscreen just because she's a baby and she has like the most beautiful like porcelain skin, and I just don't want the sun to affect her. So that's why I like load her up. She did pull off her hat a couple times, but that's okay. So I'm gonna make some stuff and I'll show you what I'm making. So I'm gonna be making some soup because my friend got me this bone broth, and it's ginger bone broth protein powder. So you put 2 tablespoons and 12 ounces of water, and then you can make soups and stuff like that. So 2 tablespoons is 50 calories and 13 grams of protein. So that's kind of awesome. So I'm just gonna boil 12 ounces of water, and I'll put that in, and then I'll add like a chicken broth and stuff. And I also wanted to make these kale broccoli cheddar bites from the Yum and Yummer cookbook. So I'll show you guys those as well. I have to go and get the missus and try and put her down later because I thought she was sleeping and she's not. She's like talking to herself, and I wonder if she's hungry because I don't know, she didn't get like a ton of food when we were out. So well, now she's quiet, I think. Nope, she's not. I think I'm just gonna go get her and give her some food, and maybe with a full belly, and in like an hour of like playing, then maybe she'll just go down for a later nap. Let's try. try. So, she's not gonna nap. She was like playing in her crib. So I just got the quinoa bites. I don't know how they're gonna turn out, but we shall see. I have them in the oven, and then, I'm sorry, I just sniffled. That was like super attractive. And I'm just simmering my soup, and I'm gonna give her some food because she's probably hungry. This little bean is playing with her bean. Excuse me. Yeah, we eat it. She's like, I don't like this, Mom. It's probably because you had the frozen yogurt, and she's going, what the heck is this thing? It looks so disgusting. Okay, Mommy's gonna give you some yogurt. This little nugget is biting her hand because I went, oh, when she did it, and now that's all she wants to do. Oh. She finds it funny. So if you don't want your babies to do something, try not to bring attention to it because she thinks it's funny and she will continue doing it for a reaction. Is that good Greek yogurt? And we got some formula. Oh goodness, don't eat your arm. So the quinoa bites turned out, it doesn't look very nice, but they turned out really well. They're mom and baby approved. And you're gonna stay with grandma because mommy has to go to work. Yeah, you got your spoon. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's 10 to 9. I got home at 20 after 8, sang to the baby because I crept into her room to turn on her monitor and she was sitting up in her crib looking at me. So I was like, what are you doing up? And she went, Mama. And then I picked her up, sang to her, put her back down. She cried, went back up, sang again, and now she's okay. So that's why it took so long. So I'm gonna have some leftover salmon because I'm starving. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I'm off tomorrow, so it's gonna be a fun vlog. So make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.